In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down and click on Haptic Vibration. Now you can enable or disable haptic feedback by clicking on this switcher at the top, and also operate this slider under vibration feedback to adjust it. When you're ready, go back, tap on this tap on this option called Vibrate Vocals, and apply one of those options for all your incoming calls. Always vibrate or never vibrate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!